Okay, so we have the dock here, and how can we change the size of our dock? So there are actually two ways. First, I'm going to show you the first way, which we're going to have to go here on the Apple logo, select System Settings, and then here we're going to have to scroll it a bit down, and then here we have, or use a trackpad with two fingers to drag down, and then here select Desktop and Dock, please, and down here we have size, dock, and then size and magnification. We can increase the size from here quite fast, really fast, and the magnification. You know, if it's very small, magnification is large, then you're gonna have this nice effect. But what if you don't want to go to settings and you want another method, or you're looking for another method? Well, there's actually another one. If you hover your mouse over these lines here, you can just drag up and down, and this will actually change the size, which is so helpful as well. And by the way, if you have two screens, I can actually move this dock to the other screen by just moving this cursor close to the corner. And when I'm doing this, the dock will appear on the other screen because I have the two monitors, right? So if I'm to move the dock on this monitor when is on the other monitor, I just move the cursor close to the corner. I didn't know what's first that either. So yeah, I hope you found those tips helpful. Subscribe for more macOS tutorials, and thanks for watching.